It's early in the morning. Time to wake up. I am a mother who lives in a small house with my husband and 2 children. It's still dark outside, but soon it will be morning. Every day I wake up at the same time. I turn off the alarm and get out of bed. Then I walk to the kitchen and put on the kettle. I make a cup of tea, then I help my daughter get dressed. I help my son button his shirt. I make toast and eggs for breakfast. It's time for school. I grab the kids' backpacks. Then I drive the children to school. When I arrive back home, I wipe the table. Then I write a shopping list. It's time to head out to the grocery store. I buy some snacks for the children. When I arrive home, I put the food away. After lunch, I fold the laundry and put the clothes away. I check in on our garden. The flowers need water. I water the flowers and pull out some weeds. Then I pick the children up from school. I make sure to help them with their homework. After, I cook dinner for the family. Then we sit down to eat dinner together. After dinner, we clean up the dishes. As a family, we all go out for a short walk. Later, the children put on their pajamas and brush their teeth. Then I read a story and tuck them into bed. Now the house is quiet again. It was a busy day. Tomorrow will be a good day too.